You're on deck with Third Eye Cam, and I don't know if you can see this time. It's 6:21, December 24th, 2019. And this little star sitting low to the horizon right here. Let me get this other light out the way. If you can see it, yeah, you can see it in the bottom left-hand corner of my camera, bottom right-hand corner. I think that's a planet. I'm getting pictures of it with my telescope. And we shall see exactly what it is. I did take pictures earlier. It had some stars around it, some planetoid looking stars and some dark looking asteroids. I'm going to get closer in with my bigger telescope and see what it is. All right, Third Eye Cam, hang tight. All right, you're on deck with Third Eye Cam. This is the planetoid that I was talking about. I'm getting some close pictures of it, so I'm just trying to figure out exactly what it is. All right, pretty much there is a planetoid looking object that sits in the west behind the sun. I've been looking at it for days. They keep saying it's Uranus or Saturn or Jupiter, but I don't think it is. Let me look on my little planetary deal. Anyways, while you're watching it, I'm going to find out what I can find out about it. I don't think it's any one of our planets, but who am I? I'm just some amateur astronomer type deal with no indoctrinated degrees of the indoctrinated world like Mr. Neil deGrasse, who I really don't believe much of. He's a fucking actor more than a scientist type deal. Let me see. So, bear with me. Let me find out what this deal is. Let me drop that music. I don't want no problems. Nobody trying to get me for anything. Alright, so, no. Okay, here we go. So bear with me, just keep watching the star. I'm getting ready to put things into perspective for y'all. Alright, so this is west. West, west, west. Show me my west. Alright, so it's north. Let me go west. Okay, so it makes sense as to what that is. According to my star walk, this is an asteroid, so-called C/2018 Whiskey 2 Africano. I say again, C, the letter C/2018 W2 Africano, AFRICANO. So look it up, but this is supposedly what this is, and supposedly Venus is beside it, but Venus is below the ecliptic already, right at the horizon, below those tree lines. So this is what that is. That can't be Venus, and if it is, the asteroid is actually next to Venus. Venus is lower than the asteroid. So let me see what Africano got going on. Yeah, I've seen it before, but I think this is really it. As the comet approaches the warmer inner solar system, they begin to melt, leaving behind magnificent tails. But we don't see a tail on Africano. So it's either Africano or Venus, which I think is Venus. So that's what we got so far. I don't know. I'm getting some close pictures. My camera is actually connected to my telescope, and the kind of telescope is connected to my 35 millimeter TO6 is connected to a Geiss G Skyer. Just a basic telescope, a little bit more powerful than my standard 35 millimeter telescope, and a lot more stable. So what I'm gonna do is after this interrogative, I'm gonna get some really close detailed pictures, and we're gonna bring this thing in close. All right, Third Eye Cam.